There is wireless cellular phone charging in the front console of your G70. The system is available when all doors are closed and the engine start-stop button is in the accessory or on position. Please note that the system only charges Qi-enabled phones. Visit your phone manufacturer's website to check whether your phone supports Qi technology. To start, remove other items, including the smart key from the wireless charging unit. If you don't, the wireless charging process may be interrupted. Next, place your phone on the wireless charging unit. You'll see an orange indicator light illuminate, which shows you the charging process has begun. The indicator color changes to green when the charging process is completed. You can turn on or off the wireless charging function in the Instrument Cluster's User Settings menu by scrolling down and selecting Convenience. Then scroll down and select or deselect Wireless Charging System. Always make sure that the indicator illuminates in orange when your phone is placed on the wireless charging unit. If it doesn't, slightly change your phone's position, and the orange light should illuminate. The indicator color may not change to green depending on your phone type, even though the charging process is completed. If there is malfunction with the wireless charging system, the orange indicator light will blink for 10 seconds. If this happens, remove your phone and then place it again on the charging unit. The system warns you with a message on the LCD display when you do not take your phone off the wireless charging unit, when the front door is open, and the engine start-stop button is in the off position. On behalf of the Genesis team, thanks for watching.